Welcome to the Fundamentals 1 course. In this course, you're going to learn the following topics: an introduction to Splunk, going over the Splunk interface with basic searching and solid fundamentals. Going to be using fields and transforming commands. Going to create some reports and dashboards. Go over our datasets, pivots, and the SIM. We're also going to use some lookups and make alerts. The course setup is as follows. We're going to have lectures in the form of modules, lectures and demos, hands-on practice so you can upload the data and follow along, and pointing out helpful resources available to you within the Splunk community. Let's get started in Fundamentals 1.